I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily Dark Pool Whisperer for July 27th. All right, we are still hitting on this upper trend line on the SPY, unable to break through yet. Bullish above $440.06. That's a 16th, by the way. Yep, the market is still trading in fractions. There's a little Camarilla in the way. So I bumped it up to 06. Teeny makes a big difference sometimes. So bearish below 439.20. Key level right there. Let's go to the IWM. And by the way, we did have a dark pool level, 8 million yesterday, 439.90. So using that as well. Let's head on over to the Russell, which has been the weakest index. We're going to be bullish only above 220, bear below 218. It's coming down right now. Let's head on over to the QQQs, which has been super duper strong. We're going to be bullish above 368.28, and we did go ahead and we did hit a couple of targets this morning. So I'm just going to look at the next level, really that 369, well, 369, but we do have a Camarilla right here at 369.12. So I'd have to say let's go above that for the next entry. All right, let's be bearish below 367. Let's head on over to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 44.12. We are unable to break above that. We did come close. And bear below 43.88 for the E-minis. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 15,125 and bearish below 15,050. We're still in the middle of that. Let's head on over to oil, which has been, all over the place, oil. Today we're going to be bullish above 72.20 and bear below 71.60. We are coming down to test that pivot right now, it looks like. Now let's head on over to gold futures. All right. Ooh, look at the gold futures, just popped above person's pivots. Yeah, that's really key for floor traders back in the day. They were always bullish above and bearish below, and that's yesterday's high, low, and close. Add those up, divide by 3, and you get this pivot line. It's really key. I use it every day. We have retracements to pivots, and then we have trades when they go above or below it. All right, so you'll see that very often on the whispers. We're going to be bullish above 1802. We just went above it, and as you can see, I use person's pivot for that bull above level. And we're going to be bearish only below 1794. All right, let's head on over to Bitcoin futures, which were the hottest whisper yesterday till that Amazon news came out. But, slowly trying to come back here. Those futures bullish above 38,000. We just went above and we are hitting our first target, well, close to it, coming up to that. Bear below 36,000 for Bitcoin futures. All right, let's head on over to the individual stocks. GE had earnings. Normally it's not on the whisper. It's a little bit too slow for me, but it could pick up some steam because it had earnings today. So bullish above 1350. And bear below 1324 for a retracement trade on GE. Tesla also had earnings. Tesla, there we go. Bullish above 675 and bear below 667.50. We did come down and we hit the peanut butter. See this right here? Look at that PB, right? 663.42, and look at that bounce. Gonna kind of zoom in for you. All right, it's really amazing. Peanut butter and jelly. This brown dashed line is the PB. That's a 200 exponential moving average, and the red is the jelly, which is the 200 simple. You can see computers there. That volume came in, and if you want to learn how to put these on, come into the trading pit. We'll be showing you how to do that and how to trade off this every day. So yeah, bear below 667.50. We already hit that. So if we do go below the peanut butter, I want to say 662. That's the next bear below level since we already did that first trade. All right, let's head on over to AMC. I know a lot of people are watching this one. We did have a dark pool level recently on this one. Not the biggest one we've ever seen, but $37.96. 395,000 trade, and we are currently above that. That is bullish. Today for the day trade, bullish above 41.20 and bear below $37.80. And that would be below that dark pool level. That's why I picked that level. As long as we stay above, that is going to be bullish. Let's go to XPEV. Bullish above 40.50 today and bear below $38.75. Let's go to Mara, our crypto stock. We're going to be bullish above 28.50. It did a lovely retrace back to the 4 EMA and it bounced off of it this morning. It's a very popular pattern. So bullish above 28.50, bear below 27.50. If it does turn around and doesn't hold there, that's going to be bearish. Let's go to UPS, which had some earnings and not good news this morning. Posted that out on Twitter. Bullish only above 206 today for a retracement trade. A lot of times, the institutions will sell on the second day. That would be tomorrow. So yeah, don't try to bottom fish this for a swing. This is just a day trade. All right, whenever we've topped out and earnings aren't good, yeah, usually they start selling pretty heavy. So bear below 204. Okay, I've given you some major moving averages here on the weekly chart. Here's my weekly chart right here. That's usually where we go to in cases like this. Let's go to TLT. We're going to be bullish above 149.25. And it looks like we're there right now, actually. And bear below 147.94. We have two dark pool prints on this. We are above this one, 148.53. Yeah, this 150.81 is above us. If we were to close above that, uber bullish. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for Tuesday, July 27th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret.